Hi, I'm Sarah and today I'm going to show you the Opinel Nomad Cooking Kit. So the kit consists of the No 12 Serrated Knife, the No 10 Folding Knife with corkscrew, the No 6 Vegetable Peeler, a Beechwood cutting board and a microfibre cloth for cleaning and storage. So each of the knives is stainless steel and comes with Opinel's VeraBlock safety ring for safe locking while the knife is open and closed. So the No 12 is a serrated knife. The No 10 folding knife also comes with a corkscrew, and the No 6 is a stainless steel vegetable peeler. All fold back like this and lock. The microfibre cloth, as well as being used for cleaning, is also used for storage.